Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chocolate fondue. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of good quality chocolate, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. For the best results, choose chocolate with at least 60% cocoa solids. Also, prepare your dippers like fresh fruit, marshmallows, or small pieces of cake before you start melting. Now, let's melt that chocolate perfectly. The best way is to use a double boiler or a heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water. Make sure the water doesn't touch the bottom of your bowl to avoid scorching. Stir the chocolate frequently as it melts. Once it's about 75% melted and mostly smooth, remove it from the heat to finish melting with residual warmth. With your chocolate melted, it's time to create that irresistible, smooth fondue. Gradually whisk in the 1/2 cup of heavy cream until it's fully incorporated and the mixture is beautifully smooth. Then, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. This little addition will give your fondue an extra layer of richness and a lovely, glossy finish. Keep stirring until everything is perfectly combined. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your magnificent chocolate fondue. Transfer the warm, velvety chocolate to a fondue pot or a small slow cooker to keep it at the ideal temperature. Remember to maintain a low, gentle heat so it stays perfectly dippable without burning or thickening too much. Gather your favorite dippers and share this delightful dessert with your loved ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.